The Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder, with a 2-liter capacity, is a popular choice for many households due to its efficient performance and ease of use. It is designed to provide quick and efficient grinding of various ingredients, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. This review will cover the design, performance, ease of use, and overall value of the Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder, providing an unbiased assessment to help potential buyers make an informed decision. The Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder boasts a compact and aesthetically pleasing design that fits well in most kitchen spaces. Its build quality is solid, with a durable ABS plastic body that ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The grinder's 2 stones are made from high-quality material, promising effective and uniform grinding of ingredients. The Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder is equipped with a powerful motor that operates at 150 watts. This motor ensures that the grinder can handle even tough ingredients with ease, delivering smooth and consistent results every time. The 2 grinding stones rotate efficiently, providing a uniform grinding experience that ensures the ingredients are thoroughly processed. The Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder is not just limited to grinding batter for traditional Indian dishes. It is versatile enough to handle a variety of other grinding tasks. You can use it to grind spices, make chutneys, and even prepare pastes for curries. This versatility makes it a valuable appliance for any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy cooking a wide range of dishes. Safety is an important consideration in any kitchen appliance, and the Butterfly Hippo does not disappoint in this regard. It comes with a sturdy lid that locks securely in place during operation, preventing any spills or accidents. The base of the grinder is equipped with non-slip feet, ensuring stability during use and preventing the appliance from moving around on the countertop. Enjoy uniform grinding pressure with its 4-way grinding system and detachable drum. The transparent polycarbonate lids are unbreakable, offering a clear view while grinding. Included are the main unit, 2 stones, a lid, and a user manual with a warranty card. The Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder is a high-quality and versatile kitchen appliance that delivers excellent performance and durability. Its robust construction, powerful motor, and user-friendly design make it a reliable tool for grinding a wide range of ingredients. Although it can be somewhat noisy and the 2-liter capacity might not be sufficient for larger families, these are minor drawbacks compared to its numerous positive features. Overall, the Butterfly Hippo tabletop wet grinder is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen's efficiency and versatility.